See a smiling face like I never seen. Right, well, we're about to start.
No. Hi, welcome to...
I wasn't ready.
Hi, guys. Welcome to She is a Cook. Hi, guys. Welcome to She is a Cook. Today, we are going to make a Portillo's chocolate cake. We used to live in the Chicago area, and Portillo's was this restaurant that we used to go to, and they had some good food. Fried chicken, sandwich, croissant was the bomb. But the chocolate cake was where it's at. And because I am all about nutrition now, I was like, ooh, Thanksgiving is coming on Thursday, and I really, really, really want a Portillo's chocolate cake. So here we are. I have my beautiful daughter here with me.
Hello.
And so we are going to jump in. We'll start talking about the ingredients, and then we'll go ahead and make the cake. Would you like to do the ingredients?
Sure.
Okay.
We have homemade mayonnaise used with avocado oil and egg, half a cup of melted butter,
Grass-fed.
1/4 cup coconut flour, 2 cups of almond flour, half cup of Dutch processed chocolate powder,
And it's Ghirardelli.
4 eggs,
Room temperature.
teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 cup of Allulose monk fruit. So that's like a sugar replacer thing.
Yes. So this is sugar-free.
Sugar-free.
Not dairy-free.
Gluten-free.
Gluten-free, yes.
Half teaspoon of salt, pink Himalayan salt.
You're doing good. You're doing really good.
A teaspoon of espresso powder.
Yes.
A 1/4 of a 1/4 of brown sugar, coconut brown sugar.
Yeah. Well, yes.
Coconut sugar.
We're missing something.
Ah.
What are you grabbing? It's in the freezer.
Behold, the chilled brewed.
I love that it says joy. Can I get on a pedestal real quick? You know, I have people that like to come on my channel and tell me that we talk too much.
Ooh.
And so we're going to have some fun today. So if you don't like us talking,
get out.
Says the teenager. Half cup of, it's supposed to be coffee, but it's instant espresso. We actually took the espresso powder, so we did 1.5 teaspoon of espresso powder with a half cup of hot water. Joy. All right.
And it's warm, so we put it in the freezer.
It's still kind of warm, but it's not hot. And this is to spray the pan. Even though we have a nonstick pan, it is not covered in Teflon. It's really important.
No Teflon.
We're going to go ahead and bring you guys close.
And we're going to pray.
Because, right, this is the first time we're making this one. There is another chocolate cake that has been tried and true and tested, and it is great. But I wanted to see if I could add, I don't know why I'm changing the recipe. I did forget something. We need to add some chocolate chips to this. So the chocolate chips that we use are Come on, grab it. All right, what is it?
Lacanito.
Huh?
Oh, Lacanto.
Lacantito. Lacanto. Monk fruit. Let's jump in. Let's do it.
Woo! First we're gonna do wet ingredients. 4 eggs. Melted butter. The sugar.
Allulose sugar is better than the one that has the ethanol in it, something like that. Because it dries it out. This does not dry out. It actually keeps moisture.
Coconut sugar.
I like that you can just throw everything in this thing.
Yeah, it's great. Brewed coffee. I need to pour stuff faster. Your mayonnaise.
I'll do the dry.
You can do dry.
Okay. Almond flour, cocoa, espresso, salt, baking soda, and baking powder, coconut flour. Now we need to plug her in.
And we're gonna blend.
All right, so what you want to do, we have the Ninja blender.
The 3-in-1, right?
The 3-in-1. We have the dough, whatever.
The dough one.
Yes, it's not the silver one.
It's not the sharp one.
All right.
It's the dough.
It's the dough one. Okay, and we're going to do dough. Here we go. took forever. It's kind of watery. You want to add in the chocolate chips, right? Oh, wow.
Oh.
That's really good.
Wait. I take one for love.
You can't mess up chocolate chips though, right? With chocolate chips, you just can't. So I'm going to pause. Now, sure, just be careful because this thing goes a little crazy. Not too much.
Okay. And then don't use canola.
Please don't.
Just
no
don't use
canola,
anything except for avocado and olive. That's all you need. It may be expensive, but trust me, it'll save your physical and mental health.
Man, I'm so proud. Okay, so I got my nutrition certification.
She did.
And so
She's
I'm
so
trying
bougie.
to, maybe, but I'm trying to help my children, eat better.
She's scraping the dough blender thingy.
Okay, Megan, I'm pouring it.
Wait.
I'm going in.
Wait.
I'm going in. Ah, look at that. So I made a cake was that last week? 2 weeks ago? No, not last week. In a heart bundt cake.
Your sword is full already.
Already?
Yeah.
The heart bundt cake, it didn't rise as much. It was yummy.
Wait, I just realized because we haven't tried
We
this
haven't
yet.
tried this one.
Ta-da!
Okay, it's going in 350, 38 minutes. I'm not going to overcook it because I want it to be nice and moist.
Yeah, I was like, love it.
Okay, so you ready? Okay, here we go. It's going to smell yummy in here soon.
Yay!
Timer 38 minutes is when you want to start checking it. Okay.
I'm going to check it.
We will be back. Okay, so it was in the oven for 38 minutes. I pressed on it. It didn't leave a dent. It popped right back up. I put a little nifty knife in there. Came out clean. Smells amazing. I saw this little hack where if you take a towel, and you put cold water in it, and then you put the pan in there and you let it sit for 10 minutes. Now, I don't know if I did that. I don't know how long I did it, honestly.
Oh.
That might be the problem. But anyway, you take that for me. The big reveal.
Samantha wanted to do her own thing.
It's horrible.
No, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Okay, look. Okay. Don't judge a book by its cover. It looks,
in this case,
interesting, but it tastes so
honestly
good.
Honestly, this is the bomb.
It
tastes so good. Bomb, no. It look a hot mess, but
it's like humans. It's okay.
I know, right? Great message.
Oh,
it's so moist though. Oh my god. I'm wondering. Oh god. So this is like a finger food cake. Well,
just grab and go.
Just grab and go. Yeah, we used a brand new bundt pan. So I used this one from Walmart. I use this one. This has
been through it all.
Been
through it all.
Man, I don't know how many years. Over 60 years.
Ooh, over 60?
Well, I don't even know if bundt cakes were out 60 years ago. Anyway. It's good, y'all. I really think it's the coconut. I'm wondering if it's coconut flour. I don't know. I don't know what. I think I know what it is. So when we sprayed the pan, she took a paper towel and she wiped up the oil.
Which
and I'm wondering if we should have just left the oil alone. Another thing that, because we're not using flour, like I've always heard, put a little bit of flour around the pan and it'll come out, but we're not using flour. We could have used cocoa powder.
Oh.
So anyway,
it's a win for the taste.
Presentation is everything. I had in my mind it was gonna come out beautiful. I was gonna drizzle some chocolate on top. It was gonna be like wonderful.
But this is reality of life. It doesn't always turn out right. But it tastes
wonderful.
Wonderful.
It really is. It's good. This is a good chocolate cake right here.
Well, would you say it's a win or no?
I mean,
I say it's a win.
You can't serve it. I would never serve this for Thanksgiving. But just to have a yummy cake in the house.
Oh, yeah.
It's doing the job. Okay.
We're gonna put her away.
Bye.
We'll eat her later.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be gone now. We're gonna eat it.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, go check out a wonderful video about this lovely dish right here.
Cheese casserole.
So good.
Yummy.
Subscribe, like, share, turn on notifications, all the things. Support us. We're just a family who likes to eat. So
learn from us and our mistakes. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes. Yeah.